All right, I absolutely love these Swiffer dusters. And you can see I just dusted around this room with it. And you can see how dirty it, because it picks up everything. But here's what I really love about this specific one. So you can see this is kind of the normal size, and this does flip down for like easy storage. It doesn't take up a lot of room. But when you need space, this up, you can actually extend it here and extend it this far. So I can reach pretty far away, right, to be able to dust and get things. It's also great for my kiddos that are smaller, because they're only 10. They're able to actually be able to reach like the ceilings or the corners of the room. You don't have to move furniture to be able to get to things. Some of the favorite places I like to use this, besides the obvious, the corners of the room, behind furniture, I like to use them on my grates at the bottom, my baseboards, and I really like to use it on my ceiling fans. I feel like I get a lot of stuff very easily cleaned, so I can do it pretty routine. This also will snap in a couple different angles. So when I just talked about my ceiling fans, this is a great way to do that with the ceiling fan. You know, and then again, if I have to kind of bend or get someplace, I have a lot of options. Look how easy it is to replace this. You just pull it off, and then you take the new one and you take this little fork, and you'll see, try to show you right here, there are two slits, and you just put one on each side and just pull it right on, and you have a brand new one ready to go. Like, it's that simple, and it stays on. See, it's not going to come rolling off as I still completely on. So even though it's easy to take off, easy to put on, it sticks while you're going ahead. You don't have to worry about it sliding off. So if you're looking for a way to make cleaning kind of fun for those kids, to be able to get lots of things cleaned really easily, and the convenience of being able to just get new refills on these every time you want to dust, so that you have a clean one going, you want to get this Swiffer one. You're really not going to be disappointed. I love this.